Yo everybody, what's going on? I already seen the title. Today I'm gonna break down like how we managed to get a placement with Pluto. How we made the beat and like shoot little story behind it. So y'all might think it's from Thai Beats. And actually it's from Thai Beats. So this guy Haha You Crazy, aka 10 Faces, you know, shout out to him. So he posted this beat. He did like Lil Wayne intro, you know, you feel me, with this 6 foot 7 foot sample. So then Pluto basically hopped on this beat, recorded over it, and you feel me, they tried to clear it, they couldn't clear it. This owner of the sample, you feel me? So he hit me basically saying, boom bro, I know you make samples, we need a sample. Basically trying to split. I'm having it for show. And by the way, this guy Russian, we all Russians, you feel me? And he knew me from from the recording the videos. So this shit is like really beneficial, bro, and just basically made like a some money, made like added to my portfolio, and I'm making another video to it, and multiplying like our brand, you know, to everybody else. So that's a bet. By the way, hit me on Telegram, join our Telegram group chat, and join our Discord. We like share our like loops, opportunities, like and there are a lot of like people right now, so it's really easy to hop on the opportunity, feel me, especially if you hard, bro. Like it's really lack of beats right now. A lot of artists hit us up from this beat, from this Pluto placement. Bana B also asked for beats, so tap into Discord, feel me. Let's go. Let's push some crazy music out, and let's connect. Suggest what you think, if you know we need to add and shit like that, feel me. Let's build a team. Boom. Damn. So as you can see, the project looking crazy right now. But so basically he sent me the stamps, and he's like, this is how the stamps sound like without the melody. Just pretty simple. As you can see, it's really like simple. What is that? Yeah, it's simple. So boom, this is pretty much the beat. So I went straight to splice, you know, and first what I did here, this is the first sample I did. Yeah, but basically this was the first sample, then this is the second one, then the third ones, and then I combined them all, and yeah. So this was like an original. I chopped the fuck out of the splice sample. So this is like unreleased. So this version didn't make the final, you know. Let me show you another version though. Yeah, this one I guess got picked though. This goofy melody, bro, like when I heard this melody, like I knew this shit gonna go. This shit sounds good too, you know. And I sent them samples straight to my boy back, and he messed with it, like he mixed it better, and sent like straight to them. They liked it, they picked it, and boom, here's how it came about. So moral of the story, bro, like you gotta make work right now. This is the time, the perfect time. It ain't goofy no more. Like maybe you think it's goofy like to record videos and shit, like you're trying to be all mysterious and, you feel me? But like and nobody really give a fuck about like you, like how you look, how you don't they people don't even like notice you. Like, so if you thought about making videos on YouTube or like reels, and you like maybe struggling with some insecurities like on camera and shit like that, like, bro, this shit don't really matter, bro. Nobody really give a fuck. Like, look at me, I'm chopped as fuck, still making shit. To me, some type of progress we do. We just ain't consistent as we like should be, because we like was pushing Thai beats heavy. But right now, like, it's summertime, we out of college, fuck the college, we're finna lock into this shit, you feel me? Yeah, post Thai beats, post videos on YouTube, network, she gonna go a long way. Network, and you can network and our Telegram, Discord, and by the way, our you can get those like similar samples, maybe not that turned, but a lot of free samples. This is my pack, Cloud9 sample pack. You can check the previews here. A lot of like, it's more of like a soul kit, like, you know what I'm saying, R&B-ish. It's free, not royalty free. If you make a beat, 50-50 split with me, and if placement happens, also hit me. We're gonna handle the business right.
Every night,
you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So boom, I appreciate you watching this. I don't know really like much what to say. Shout out my boy 10 Faces, follow him. Without him, like, I wouldn't be able to land this placement. Feel me? Locking with each other, you feel me? Locking with each other. Boom, he going crazy, bro. He like, basically he started before me. Oh no, he started after me, because my shit is like FRXMSCRATCH. What the fuck is this, man? Damn. So yeah, my shit is like, how many videos? Like 190, I guess. Yeah, so my shit is 190 and he's like 170, and he fucked me up, bro. He like already 15k. Feel me? Gotta catch up. Shout out to him. You feel me? Appreciate y'all. So yeah, bro, appreciate you watching this one more time. I appreciate you for downloading the kits. Let's keep working. Join our shit. Boom.